Good morning, children of class 3. Today, in grammar, we are going to read chapter 4 of comprehension, The Old Man and His Spectacles. So, children, this is a funny story which we are going to read. Now, let us start the story. Once there lived an old man in a village. He did not know how to read and write. So, in a village, there was an old man. He was not knowing how to read and write. So, let us see what he did. So, what he always noticed that people wore spectacles while reading newspapers and books. So, he saw that the people they were wearing spectacles. When he was moving all around, then he found that the people they were wearing spectacles while they were reading newspapers and books. So he thought, I can also read if I have spectacles like them. I must buy a pair for myself. So what he thought? He thought that the people they are wearing spectacles and they are able to read and write. So what I must also do? I must also buy a pair of spectacles, and I should wear it so that I can be able to read and write like the other people. Then, so one day he went to the market. He entered the shop that sold spectacles and asked the shopkeeper for a pair of spectacles. So he went to the market. And then what he did? He went to the shop and told the shopkeeper to give him a pair of spectacles so that he can read with the help of the spectacles. The shopkeeper gave him several pairs of spectacles and a book. So the shopkeeper he thought that the person he has come to buy spectacles because he is not able to read. So the shopkeeper also he gave him several pairs of spectacles, and he also gave him the book. So with the help of the spectacles, so that the person can read. Then the man tried all of them one by one but could not read anything. So the shopkeeper had given him different pairs of spectacles. So he tried one by one all the spectacles which the shopkeeper had given him. He told the shopkeeper that the spectacles were of no use to him. So, with the help of the spectacles, the man, he tried to read, but he was not able to read anything. So, he told to the shopkeeper that your spectacles they are of no use. He returned the shopkeeper the spectacles. Why he told him? Because he was not able to read with the help of the spectacles. So he gave back the spectacles and told the shopkeeper that I don't want your spectacles. They are of no use. I have tried all of them. Then the shopkeeper realized that the man was holding the book upside down. So the shopkeeper he saw that this man who is trying to read the book, he is holding the book upside down. He is not holding the book in the proper way. He then said, "Perhaps you don't know how to read." So this the shopkeeper told to the old man that okay, I think that you are not knowing how to read. You are not holding the book properly. You are not knowing how to read. Then the old man said, I don't. I need spectacles so that I can read like the others, but none of these are helping me. So the old man said that yes, I don't know how to read. I have come to your shop to buy the spectacles so that I can read with the help of the spectacles like the others. When they are reading, they wear spectacles. I also, if I wear spectacles, I will be able to read. But I think that none of your spectacles they are helping me to read. I'm wearing them, but then also I am not able to read with the help of these. The shopkeeper tried to control the laughter when he realized what the real problem was. So the shopkeeper he was feeling to as if he is going to laugh, but he tried to control his laughter. And he understood that what was the real problem. He understood that the person is not knowing how to read, but with the help of the spectacles, he is trying to read them. Then he said what he told. Let us see. He explained to the old man, friend, spectacles don't help you to read or write. They help you to see better. First, you must learn to read and write. So the shopkeeper, he told to the old man that, friend, it is not that with the help of the spectacles we will know to read and write. Spectacles don't help us to read and write. First, what we should know? We should know how to read and write first. These spectacles don't, they only help us to see. If the things are not clear, they are only helping us to see them clearly. So first what you should do? First you must learn to read and write. Then with the help of the spectacles you can read them. So this story, it is telling us that we should know how to read, and it is due to the ignorance of the old man that he is not knowing to read and write. Then let us do the exercises. In the exercise you have to write one word answer. So in the first one, what you have to do? A place where people go to buy things. So where do the people they go to buy things? People go to the market to buy the things. Then number 2 is daily publication of sheets containing news. So every day the sheet where we get the news is what? It is the newspaper. So owner of the shop, what is he called? Is called shopkeeper. Then a group of houses and buildings that is smaller than a town. So in a village you will find the houses and buildings that is smaller than a town. Then we will do the question answer. Answer these questions. So first one is, what did the old man ask the shopkeeper to give him? So what did the old man ask the shopkeeper? The old man asked the shopkeeper to give him a pair of spectacles. Then next question is, why did the old man need a pair of spectacles? So why did the old man? He wanted the pair of spectacles. So the old man needed a pair of spectacles to read and write. So old man, he wanted to read and write, so he went to the shopkeeper to buy the pair of spectacles. Now the third one, what did the shopkeeper explain to the old man? So the shopkeeper explained to the old man that spectacles don't help us to read or write. They help us to see better. First he must learn to read and write. So the shopkeeper told to the old man that it's not that with the help of the spectacles he will be able to read and write. First he should know how to learn how to read and write, and then these spectacles will help to see better. Now the third part is, write down the name of sense organ that help you to do the following. So smell, we smell with the nose. So nose is the sense organ through which we smell. The next one is taste. So the sense organ is tongue. With the help of the tongue we taste. Ear. So with the help of the ear we hear. So with what do we see? We see with our eyes. Two beautiful eyes help us to see. And with what do we feel? The skin, it helps us to feel anything. Then, thank you all of you. Try to understand the chapter and learn all the things. Be safe.